Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic ML 2005, 2006 ML 500. No wipers, current system, everything messed up, clicking. We check the car. This car we changed the sound module some time ago, and now also it come back. So when we check the car here, those car, they have a problem of water leak through those seals here. You see those seals here? Those seals here, when the water come from the top there or from here, I don't know, it's go here and it's go under the seal for the tail light, and you see here, this is the water. Even though you can put a drain or anything, we have water here. It was full, we empty it. You see here still, you see. So this, for this side, we don't have no computer inside. But this side here, that's where we're scared. You see, if you look here, if we open this place, you see like water. You see the seals, you see here. So those stuff here, I believe need to be replaced, all of them. I called the dealer, the guy who was in the part department. This is a sound module. We're gonna take it out, blow it out first to see if we can read the information out of it. This is the one that's responsible for wet, right? If we don't fix this water where it's draining, the water test is to take all this panel away and then sit inside, and somebody have to raise or put water inside. Okay. We have one in the bottom there. Do you believe this? Okay. You see the first. Now the problem is that if the connector is good or not. That's our problem here. Is this connector? Nothing broke inside.
This looks old.
Wow. Yeah.
Plastic.
Wow.
It's corroded.
Yeah. The problem is that the connector itself. How healthy is the connector? That because we're gonna put a new one here. This connector here, how it is. Look, let's see. You see the water is still there. I'm not gonna, if we are able to lose this one here and put it this side here, up here. You know, like this connector here. Where is going? I don't know. But we have this small connector here. Okay, let's clean this one. See this one here?
Some electric cleaner.
Yeah.
Call CC3.
Oh, to get the electric cleaner, right? We need electric cleaner.
Spray them up.
Yeah, we sprayed it up, and we're gonna spray this one and see if we can communicate with. Because if we are able to communicate with this one, we can read. You got what I mean? To read the information out of it. You get my idea, right? Chris. And then we'll see what happens. But this one here, is there any way we can leave them here on the top, like this, some way, just for the future?
The wire doesn't
So
go.
so the customer have to look for a way of fixing this. You see here? You're right. You see here? When it's coming here, it's go inside through here and go out here, messed up this. So those things have to be. You have to get those stuff. I called the dealer, and he put me some information about those parts. You know, those seals. He give me some like.
They're all replaceable, but it's expensive.
Yeah, expensive really.
Yeah, look at those two touching down there.
Huh?
Look at those two touching down there.
Yeah.
See the connection
Yeah.
in the bottom?
Yeah. They touch with each other. They broke.
The corrosion is making it touch each other.
Okay. So maybe you're gonna clean it out and then we'll take it from there. So we're gonna clean those stuff and see if we can code it and read the information out of it. Thanks.